Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Lately, I am not being able to post much recipes because I'm tied up with personal work, but now I'm trying to get back on track. And here comes a recipe perfect for the Holi festival when you are cooking so many recipes, so many items that you don't get time to cook for yourself. And this is the perfect recipe. Why? Because it's a Shahi Meethi Loli, which is like a roti also, and it fulfills the desire of a dessert even. So let's begin with it. Shahi Meethi Loli, I am going to take sugar-free stevia, or you can take any sugar-free you like, but it should be healthy, and I am adding water into it. Just mix it and keep it aside. Now take a big bowl because I am going to make a dough. So to that I am adding almond flour. Here goes the desiccated coconut, cardamom powder to add some flavor, and salt a pinch so that the flavor comes out beautifully. Just give it a magic mix. And now I am going to drop the sugar-free stevia. In fact, with this water only I'll make the dough, because almond flour does not take much of the water, only the coconut flour absorbs the water. So I'm trying to make a soft dough because it will absorb the water as it stands by. So I've just covered and kept it for 10 minutes. And now with the help of some ghee or clarified butter, I'm going to just mash it up and make small roundels. This will make almost 3 because the lolis are a bit thick type. So just rolling it out. See, this is the size I've made. Using the parchment paper, you can use butter paper even. And I'm going to press it with my fingers, with my palm, and roll out a thick tortilla, roti, loli, whatever you call. This is a Sindhi recipe. Some happiness, almond slivers. This will give that Shahi look and a perfect festive look to my Loli. So spreading it out, I am putting it in a circular form and keeping the space to put the pistachio slivers on top, and just pressing it a bit so that these slivers don't fall off. See, perfect. Now I've heated a pan or griddle, you can say, applied some ghee or clarified butter, and dropping this Loli over it. That is your roti or the tortilla, whatever you call. And I'm going to let it cook. Here comes the second one. Some ghee or clarified butter, and I'm going to let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm just turning it off, flipping it over. Now I'm just flipping it over, and I'm going to let it cook from the other side. Doesn't it look gorgeous? Yes, see, beautiful. Beautiful color it has taken, and my Loli is done. Isn't it gorgeous? This is a perfect recipe that will fulfill your desire of sweet and savory too. So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, just go and make these Lolis, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. Thank you.